How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the park.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I have a bonus video for you guys and it's going to be a speed clean with me. I will be tackling every room except my bathroom in this video, so I'm sure that this will give you a ton of cleaning motivation. I'm starting in our bedroom, which is pretty messy. There are clothes everywhere, so I will take care of that first. I'm putting a few clean clothes in the closet and then I'm going to pick up all the dirty laundry and take it into the laundry room and sort it.
Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy.
I always separate my clothes to color and dark ones, and I also wash bathroom and kitchen towels separately. And now I'm on my way back into the bedroom and I'm going to start stripping the bed so I can put fresh sheet and bedding on.
How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
I recently got two new sets of sheets, this one in pink color and I have another one that is kinda grey blue, and I also ordered new bedding to go with this pink one and I can't wait to see how that will turn out. Fun fact, that will be the first bedding we got for ourselves. In all 6 years of dating, we never bought one because we both had some before and we got 2 or 3 for a Christmas or birthday present through the years, so we've just been using those. This is going to sound so dumb, but I'm so excited to finally have a bedding that I picked out and it will match the sheet.
Friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless.
Now I'm moving into the kitchen and I'm starting with clearing the dining table and getting rid of all the trash, and at the end I will wipe it down with my splendid kitchen cleaner and wet cleaning cloth.
Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever.
Now I'm putting away all the clean dishes, and after that I will start collecting all the dirty dishes and move them closer to the sink. That way I have everything in front of me so I don't forget anything. I will also collect all the trash and everything else that doesn't belong on the counter and then start washing the dishes.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life.
If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have lots of cleaning and organizational videos, and I also have my cleaning playlist linked in the description if you need some company when you're cleaning. I currently upload every Sunday an occasional bonus video like this one. I'm also thinking of doing Vlogmas this year, so that means I will upload a video every day in December, so there will be a lot of new content coming your way.
Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. Riding on the Disney.
And now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the stovetop. I'm using Mr. Beckman's glass stovetop cleaner, and I'm also using a special Villetta sponge for glass stovetops.
I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on dizzying heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. Riding on the dizzying heights.
You can see here how dirty this countertop is. I will wipe it down with my kitchen cleaner, and after that I will scrub the sink.
Dizzying heights. Sitting on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on the dizzying heights.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, 'cause honestly
Scrubbing the sink is one of my favorite things to clean. It's so satisfying watching it go from disgusting to beautiful, clean, shiny sink. I also always go over with dry kitchen towel or microfiber cloth at the end, and that makes it even shinier.
Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while.
And now I'm in my laundry room, and I really have to clean this table because it's getting out of hand and it's been driving me crazy for the last couple of days. You can also see the other sheet I was talking about at the beginning of the video. Here on camera it looks gray, but it's actually a lot more blue in person. I have some clean laundry here to put away, mostly socks. I keep socks without pair here in the corner of this table, and every once in a while I'll go through it to put away the pairs.
I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my way.
From this angle you can see how dusty this table was, and I'm wiping it down with my kitchen cleaner.
I am on my way. I am on my way. I am on my way. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you.
Moving into the living room, and I will just do a quick tidy up in here and straighten the couch.
It will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
It's now a couple hours later, and I just had to fold some laundry, so I figured I will feature this in this video. I've gotten a lot better with folding my laundry for the past week or so. It's still not the best, but at least I don't have 3 or 4 loads sitting there waiting for me.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let
that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like or a comment if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Let me know down in the comments if you think I should do Vlogmas this year or if this would be too much videos. I would really love to hear your opinion on that. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!